How to remove backgrounds using PixPretty AI. Hey everyone, in today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how you can remove images background instantly using the PixPretty AI. So all you have to do here is go to your web browser and search for PixPretty. So I'll just open it up and then search for PixPretty AI. So on the PixPretty AI, you need to click on the first link that you see here, pixai.art. You can also try to use other websites as well, but I found the best one that works is this right over here. And once you go over here, you need to go ahead and click on the plus icon to upload your picture. Now from here, you need to go ahead and find the image or text option at the bottom and upload an image. So if it gives you an option to upload your image, just quickly do that. Now you need to go over here and click on the almost open image option or the button here. So here I have selected the image. Now you can easily edit it, and if you find an option to enter the prompt to remove background, just go ahead and do that. Now as you can see, it was processing my image and it has immediately removed my background. I can choose different colors over here, and you can even crop your picture. Then you want to click on the save entire zip option, and it has successfully removed all of the background from here. That's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.